mixture of, this is ethanol, 100%. So 1, 2.
How do you turn a blow sample from a whale into something you can say about their health?
So after collecting the blow samples, there were tons of different components on it, and what we are interested in is the RNA of the whales and also the RNA of potential virus that can have infected the whales. So to extract your RNA from the blow samples, you need to first remove the DNA, and then you just keep the RNA and you clean it with some reagents. So to do that, we are using different reagents, and we need to also use vortex, centrifuge, different pipettes. So once you've extracted the RNA, you will measure the concentration using this type of machine called a nanodrop. And basically you just need to put a drop of your sample and the machine will tell you the concentration.
Oh, 1.3, okay.
Our samples didn't show a lot of RNA, but it was expected because blow samples are just some part of the respiratory tract, but there is a lot of DNA or cells into it, so it was expected. But yeah, we are not too worried about the low concentration because there is still RNA detected, so we are still confident that we can actually show something using those samples. So after extracting the RNA, we can either use it to look into microRNA or use it to detect if there is some virus. And for now, what we did was to try to see if there were any virus. So to do that, we used a technique called PCR. So to do a PCR, you first need to prepare a mix of reagents, and you have to do this into the pre-PCR room where it's free of any kind of DNA or RNA contamination. So you have to work really in a clean way in here. And when your mix is ready, then you can add your samples in this area. And you just need to add all your samples and mix it with the mix you prepared before. And it's ready to be analyzed in the instrument room. And when it's ready, you just have to put your samples into this machine. It will expose your samples to different temperature during different times and during different cycles. And then after like 1 hour, a bit more, it will tell you if you have the virus or not into your samples. So the PCR will target into your RNA sample, specifically the RNA of the virus you are interested in. And so here we tested 2 viruses, the bird flu virus, also called influenza, and the cetacean morbillivirus. And so what we found is that none of our samples are infected by any of those 2 viruses. So yeah, that's good news for the whales because it means that they are not affected by those viruses, but it's a kind of bad news for me or for my project. Yeah, it was important for me to have those positives because what we wanted to do next was to find some microRNA of the whales that could serve as biomarker to detect the virus, so we needed to have infected individuals and non-infected one. But we don't have that, so we'll have to find another way to find those. And so now that we have tested the samples for the viral RNA, they are ready to be analyzed for microRNA. So we will bring them back to Stinger where they will be analyzed, and hopefully we will find some interesting biomarker to monitor health and physiology of those amazing animals.
I'm very grateful to be a part of the Blowomics project because we went on the fieldwork, we do blow samples on whales, and then we are doing lab work. So it's a very good experience for us and for maybe the future.
Yeah, it's a good opportunity we have thanks the Nord University.